Good morning students. Now we will go through your EVS class Environmental Studies. This is your book you may see here, and in your book we had gone through your second chapter, which is our wonderful body. This is your second chapter. I think everyone can see here, and in this chapter we have gone through our body parts, their functions, sense organs in your previous classes. And today we will go through a next topic, which is growing older. How does we grow older? We grow older as the time passes. First of all, we are born as a small babies, and as the time passes we go on growing older and older. First of all we are babies, after that we come to as a children, then we become an adult. So this all are our stages of life where we grow older and older. Now we will go through the points from your book. Growing older. Okay, see here I have written also here growing older. Okay, now growing, I think you know the meaning of growing. Growing means बढ़ना. Okay, so when we born, we are small babies called infants. Now here a word is coming, infants. See here I am writing also infants. Now what is this, the meaning of this word? What is this infants? Infants, it is when we are born babies, when we are small babies, when we are just born, we are called infants. Okay, so I think you are understanding the word. What is it? Infants. When we are born, when we are babies, we are known as infants. Okay. Now, our parents help us to do all the daily activities such as peeling, feeding, sleeping, bathing, etc. Now, if we are babies, our parents helps us in all our activities. Okay, while we are bathing, we need our parents. While we are eating, if you have seen that if a baby is there, he or she is not able to drink water from his or her own. Okay, because in every activities it needs your help. Okay, so the parents, if we are babies, if we are infants, our parents helps us in doing all our activities. Okay, such as bathing, eating, drinking, peeing, sleeping, these all activities our parents helps us. Now we grow with time and become young children, boy or girl. Now if when we are babies, we are infants. See here, when we are babies, we are infants. Okay, when we are babies, we are known as infants. And after that, when we grow older, we become young children. We are called, when we become young children, we are called what? If we are called a boy or a girl. Okay, see here, when we are babies, we are infants, and when we become older and so we are called, when we become young children, we are boy or a girl. Now after that, as the time has passed, so first of all we were babies, and gradually time has passed, we become young children as a boy or a girl. Now young children can do most of their daily activities by themselves, such as eating, playing, talking, cycling, etc. Now, can babies do cycling? No, but young children can do cycling, can eat by their own, can do bath on their own. These all activities they can do now, because they have become bigger from babies. They have grown older. Okay, so these activities they can do by themselves. Themselves mean by their own. Okay, so by their own they may do their activities. Now, young children grow into adults, men or women. Now these young children, after the time has been passed, after time will pass, they will become what? This man or woman see here I am writing adults. Okay, so your mother or your father, he or she is an adult, okay, because has been grown up. He has become a man or a woman. When he was small, he or she was small, he was a boy or a girl, but as the time has passed, he or she has become a man or a woman, and in these it is called adult, okay. Now I think you understand what is adult. If babies are known as infants, young children, boy or girl, and after that when they become more bigger, they are known as man or woman, which are your father and mother, which are adults, okay. So your father and mother are adults, okay. Now adults grow older with time. Now these adults, these grow older and older, more older with time. As the time will pass, they become more older. As they grow older, we become weak and our appearances changes. Now when let's take an example of your mother. When the time will pass, she will become weaker. She will become weak when she will became the grandparents of someone. So she will become weaker, and her appearances will also changes. She will become she have glasses over her eyes. She will be wrinkles over her face. These all appearances will be occur on her face, on her body. So she will her body, the appearance of the body will change, okay. So this happens when these adults grow more older. This all things happens, okay. Do you think that like us, plants and animals also show growth? Now here is a question that do you think that plants and animals also grow? Yes. Well, if you plant a tree, okay, if you are burying a seed, see here in your book, if you are burying a seed, then after it the seed will become a sapling, okay, a very little plant. It will become a sapling, and after that it will grow into a tree. So how the plant also have shown the growth, okay. As the time has passed, plants have also shown the growth. Now if and in the case of animals also, if you have seen the hen, it's an example of your book also, growth of a chick. You know what's the meaning of chick? The baby of a hen, okay. So from where the chick comes? From the egg, okay. First of all there is an egg. After that from the egg hatches, when the egg will hatch, there will be a chick. The chick comes out, and after the time will pass, gradually the chick becomes an hen. So this has been also the growth of a chick. So we human beings, plants and animals, every living being shows growth, okay. So we have completed. Now we will go through the activity time in your next classes. Thank you.